How you doing, guys? EK Trader here. Just wanted to show you guys what I'm looking at right now. And this trade I'm gonna potentially take. What I have up is the Russell 2000 Index Mini Size Futures on a 5-minute chart, and as you can see here, market kind of fell off a little bit. Not a big deal, it's just enough, maybe uh, just kind of like a daily retracement, I guess. But what I want to show you guys is the volume. As you can see here, uh, there's a little volume spike here on the down candle. That's a little higher than these other candles. Then as you can see here, as the market goes down, the volume increases. Obviously these are pretty bearish signs. Now what you'll notice is, as the market begins to rise again, the volume decreases. So this is typically what you want to look for, especially when you're looking to go short. I mean, I don't know how long this is gonna last. You never know when volume can pick up, but right now, the strength is definitely on the downside. I mean, you can't really mistake it. Volume's going up, market's going down. Volume is kind of down, market's going up. So I'm gonna see what it looks like in about another minute when this 5-minute candle closes, and then decide if I want to take a trade. Okay, that candle just closed. As you can see, this volume candle was 1,312 compared to 1,344. So the volume was basically equal on these two candles. Not very high as comparison to these particular candles. So that kind of tells me that this is still bearish. But as confirmation, I'd like to see what happens with this particular candle. If this particular candle is up, that's going to let me know that there was a lot more buying in this particular candle, and that the market could possibly be on another upswing. But if this candle closes low, especially if it closes below this one on equal or higher volume, I'm definitely going to take a trade short. So I'm going to pause the video and wait for this candle, and I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks. How you doing, guys? EK Trader here. I'm back. I just entered this trade. Like I said, back to this candle. This candle went up on volume that was equal to this candle. So I had to see what happened here to verify if this was more selling or buying. Let me zoom in a little bit. Since this candle was very hesitant to go up, that leads me to believe that there's also a lot of bearish sentiment in this candle. Okay, so I went ahead and went short 2 contracts off of this. I'm gonna see what happens here. If the volume is heavily high and this moves up, or actually if this moves past this 568.6 level, I'll probably just go ahead and just get out of this particular trade anyway. But because of all this down volume here, I believe that this is still going to push down. I mean, it pushed down here, and I still believe it's going to push down here. There should have been a little better results from this particular candle on the upside if this was mostly buying. So for me, it just increases my temporary bearish sentiment. Now, I'm not trying to say that it won't go down a little bit and then things change maybe at this support level here and then begin to go back up. I'm not saying that that won't happen. I'm just trading, for the now. just trying to catch a few ticks to the downside. So anyway, that's all I wanted to show you guys, and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna pause the video and bring you back as I'm about to close it out. Thanks for watching. Yeah, how you doing, guys? EK Trader here. I just got stopped out right here at this 568.7 level for a loss of 160. Let me just go over one of the mistakes I made. I definitely shorted this market prematurely. You know, I tried to get a little cute and get in a little too early, and usually, you know, in my experience, that's like one of the main and easiest ways to get stopped out, is to try to enter a trend too early. A lot of people play the reversals. You know, they'll just play support and resistance. Like they'll automatically have a buy order here and automatically have a sell order here, and which is actually a pretty good strategy, especially for scalping. I mean, I do it myself. But sometimes when you're trying to enter in the middle of a trend, which isn't always the best thing to do, by the way, but sometimes when you're trying to enter the middle of a trend, it's kind of hard to get the proper entry. Just to show you guys everything, you know, it was kind of going my way. I mean, the market is weekly. Uh, the volume is very weak, as you can see, as it's rising. So it'll probably still end up going down, but unfortunately my timing was off. And actually what I should have done is probably waited for the next low closing candle, for a candle to close lower than the previous candle, especially on a 5-minute chart. That's really what I should have been waiting on. Anyway, I made a mistake. I didn't. It failed. I got stopped out, so that's just the way it is. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.